Guys, I am home, I guess. Well, I'm at my mom's. A ton of stuff to edit tonight. Client's photo and do a blog post for me. I took a nice nap on the bus, so that should help. I just got home. That's the only thing with commuting. It's like adding an extra an hour and a half to my commute. Usually in the Bronx it would take me an hour to get to work or from work, but with the bus and everything, I left at 4, so I should have been here early, but I'm here at 6:30. You know what, I'm grateful I got here, I'm safe. But what I want to tell you guys about is this bag. This is the Shirley bag from Stod. So it's a bag within a bag. Actually, I've never gotten so many compliments on a bag before. This bag is just freaking amazing. It's just like a conversation starter. Like, everyone who's ever seen this bag are always so amazed. They're always looking at the bag like, this is so cool. They're like so intrigued. So yes, if you don't have this bag, I'm gonna link it down below. You should go and buy it. And this is a great designer piece to add to your collection. It's not too expensive. It's about 210 bucks, so it's very affordable designer bag to have, and it's so cool. I think it's I mean, although it's like a trend this year, but I can see myself wearing this bag over and over for like years to come because it's that cool. And this guy was looking at me all weird this morning. He kept looking at my bag. He kept looking down, and I'm like, why is he looking at me? What is he looking at? And he was like, is that a bag within a bag? And I'm like, yep, it is. And then I'm like, it's bagception. He was crying. He was just like laughing. He was like, that's a good one. And that's the line I always use when people will say, is that a bag within a bag? And I'm like, yes, it's bagception. So yes, I'm gonna link this bag below. It's so cool. Using the Armani Luminous Silk foundation. I am so freaking in love with that foundation. It's so freaking good. It gives me like that luminous glow. As you can see, I've had it on since like 7 o'clock, and my goodness, this lighting is so good. I can talk to you guys for abs. I just realized when I bought the foundation, I still had my tan a little bit. So now my skin has lightened up a little bit. So I'm gonna go back to my winter foundation, which is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear, and I am in shade 460 in this one. So this one is my winter foundation. It's a lot lighter. I actually can wear the Luminous Silk one. I think my shade for the Luminous Silk one is 11. I can still wear it. It's probably like half a shade darker. It's really not a big difference. Honestly, nowadays I prefer wearing foundation which is half a shade darker than my skin tone. I feel like it blends in and looks so much better. So that's good. But tomorrow I'm gonna bring it, because usually I prefer doing my makeup at home, chillaxing, because I had like a whole routine down pack in the morning. I used to give myself an hour to get ready and do all that good stuff. But now, because of commuting, I just cannot afford the time to wake up and do my makeup here so early. So what I do, I wake up at 5:30, give myself about 20 minutes to get ready. Then we drive to the bus. My mom dropped me off at the bus, so I take the bus around like 6:05. Yeah, around 6:05, and then the bus actually leaves around like 6:20-ish. That's like the last stop before it leaves for the city. So, and I get to Port Authority at 7 o'clock. I got there super early, so I would rather get there early, and then when I get to work, I do my makeup there. I just go to the bathroom. My makeup only takes me like 10 minutes to do. So the only thing I do while I'm on the bus is my eyebrows, because I don't have any eyebrows. I look so weird. So I fill them in when I'm in the bus. I forgot to vlog yesterday. So yesterday I went to this amazing event at the Will. They had this event with Julie Gilhart. She was speaking with Rochelle Hoshqua. She's the founder of Lingua Franca, which is kind of like a political conscious brand where they take political statements and embroider them into cashmere sweater. It's really amazing to always hear the story behind a brand. It just makes your buying experience like so much straighter and like better. And it was so freaking nice to like hear her story. And yeah, it was such a great event, and we got $50 to shop afterwards. And I've been dying to get Deb her gift, but I just could not figure out what to get her. I know I wanted to get her a Chanel earrings. I'm pretty sure I said that in a previous vlog, which is probably going together in this one, or maybe it's the next one that you're seeing now. So yes, I found this beautiful Chanel earrings. I ended up getting them for Deb. You guys will see it first, even though you're seeing it afterwards. It's like the Chanel CC textured medallion clip-on earrings. This picture does not do justice, but this is what it looks like. I got them for her. So they do have accessories at the store. They do sell the stuff at the store. So if you live in New York City, I would highly suggest you go there to shop at the Will. It's about to be my favorite place to shop nowadays. I actually just ordered a designer bag, which I'm so excited to get. I cannot wait. I've been eyeing this bag for like a year now. And if you've watched my previous designer buys, I think people have asked me what do I have my eye on, which I've answered. So if you've watched those videos and read the comments, you probably already know which bag I'm talking about. At first I thought I wanted it in the black because the black is classic. I'm sure maybe I'll get in the black, but I just realized I am not a black bag person. I'm just not. So yeah, I got it in a brown or maybe like a caramel color. I haven't seen it yet, so why don't I wait first to see it, to make sure that I like it first before I start talking about it. I don't want to say anything yet. Deb the Chanel earrings. That was her birthday present. Oh, I am taking her out. We're going to Bluebird London. It's in Columbus Circle, so that should be fun. I'm excited. I haven't been there yet, so I think Deb has. So yes, it should be fun. I cannot wait. I need to do girls night more often. It's just so fun hanging out with the girls. It's funny nowadays, I prefer girls night than boys night, because boys are just like annoying. It's just like, no, I just want to just like be with my girls, just like talking trash, you know, and like, you know, talking business and all that good stuff. Sorry, boyfriend. I just got home. I'm gonna get something to eat. Then once I've eaten, I'm gonna edit while I eat, and then I have to figure out the temperature for tomorrow and prepare my outfit, because I heard the spot is probably like fancy, so I want to make sure I am looking cute tomorrow. Guys, we're here at Bluebird London, but we are in NYC with Columbus Circle, and the birthday girl is here.
Hi.
Still celebrating her birthday 2 months later.
Yes.
We got so busy in September.
Yeah, we were all over the place,
traveling and all that stuff. So, yeah. But hey, we're happy. We're here now to celebrate. So that's what counts. We're waiting for. Oh, we're waiting for Lori to get here. And tell us what you're wearing.
Oh, so I'm wearing the new Moschino H&M.
I love it.
Yeah, and then this is my old bomber H&M.
Ooh, it's an H&M collection.
Yes.
Collaboration thing happening.
And this is my Stuart Weitzman.
Hey.
My clothes bag. And my red lipstick.
I love the hair.
Thank you.
I love like the wet look.
I know.
I love it. No? Oh, you know how the hair gets. So we'll report back. And this is more wearing a black turtleneck and my favorite skirt at the moment that I've been loving.
Yes.
Some boots. and my new favorite coat from Mango. Keyboard.
Even in the winter.
Right? Exactly. And it's funny, I think I wear more skirt in the winter time than I do in the summertime.
Yeah.
Because it's more fun, I feel, in the winter with the knee-high boots. You just like, yes, you just feel so cute and like dress up. I feel like it's like the to-go dress up look. It's like knee-high boots, skirts. Hey, skirt. So the restaurant is in the mall, which is very convenient. You shop and then you eat. And this mall is pretty nice. I usually come here to go to Whole Foods. I usually don't ever make it up here. So.
And Sephora.
Oh, really? Oh my god.
Like,
good, because I just got my VIB and I'm like, Sephora. Yeah, I saw the Jiku. I'm like, oh, I have a rewards they sent me yesterday. I'm like, I need to go afterwards.
No, you're not going.
But maybe Sephora, because I just got my 20% VIB. So we may have to go into Sephora and get something. And then they waited until I just bought my Giorgio Armani freaking foundation, which was like almost $70. The nerve.
That's when they do it.
Right? They're gonna be that 20%. But you know, we can all find something in Sephora if we really need to. So yeah, I'm excited to try the food. I looked at the menu, but I wanna, you know, I don't wanna judge. I wanna like wait. I'm sure it's gonna be good. You've eaten here before, right? No? Oh, I thought you've eaten here before. Okay. It's gonna be your first time? So I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm starving. Are you starving?
Yeah, I didn't eat lunch.
You didn't eat lunch?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. I ate a big bowl of rice. I don't. And that was around 1 o'clock too. I don't know how I'm so hungry. Yikes. I'm a big eater, so.
Yeah, you know I eat really small.
Yeah, you don't eat a lot.
If I eat lunch, then I can't.
You can't eat? Nah. My colleague after work, I almost got something, and I'm like, let me just be, you know, and just wait for dinner.
Yeah.
Because I really want to try this food. So I want to be so hungry for it. I can't figure out how to set my alarm. We are seated, guys. It's so nice in here. Lori is here. We're seated now. Hey. Right? Always. Our drinks are here, guys. I've got the Thai Paloma. Dev's got the Bramble. What did you get, Lori?
Bluebird martini.
Oh, she's fancy, guys. Starters are here, guys. We've got shrimp. Lori's got shrimp, guys. Dev's got the crab. It's good, huh? Already know what it is.
That's wrong, guys. I should know first.
So, yeah. I guess if you want to find out, you have to go watch Dev's vlog.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
He's a diva over here. Why did I set up myself for this? Right? She has to do the flip. And she always act like she had no idea. Believe me. Should be a believer. Food is amazing. So yeah, it's great. What do you think of the food, Jeff?
Good. I ate all of my food, guys.
For the first time, Deb never finishes her food. You need some water? Yeah, that was amazing to see Deb finish her food tonight. It never happens. So, it was something really good. Yeah. What about you, Lori? What did you think?
She's the chef.
Yeah? Yeah.
I wish I was a chef. It's great.
Yeah.
I'm out of focus. It's like, oh, okay, here we are. I'm just saying. But no, the food is great. What else? The drinks are amazing. The ambiance is everything, right? I was here. I was here, right?
Yeah.
It's a party.
We're logging off now.